Okay, folks, we are going to make a 4-ingredient meatball casserole, and it can be made 30 minutes or less. I prepped everything because my son coaches basketball, and they have a varsity and a JV game, and I just got done watching the JV game. Now the varsity's next. So I'm working in between this video so I can watch my granddaughter play basketball and get the video done. So, boy, I'm exhausted. So let's get started. I want to show you the noodles. This is my container I use for my noodles, and it's 4 different noodles. I used these noodles here, and I used the shell. I forgot what these are called. But anyways, this works really cool. I got it at Dollar General on a markdown a couple of years back, and I really like it. And this, see how it's divided? Actually, it's 3. I thought it was 4. And it's divided. And what you do is you just spin this around or take it off. And if that's the noodle you want, then you just pour that noodle in. So it works pretty good. So I'm using 2 different types of noodles. You can use more than one. And you need meatballs. And I use these Italian meatballs here. We like these quite well, so I use those. And you need a pasta sauce. And I'm just using a spaghetti sauce, or you can use a marinara sauce. And you need cheese. Okay, what are we using for cheeses? We're using mozzarella. And we are using the Fiesta blend cheese. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is get my notes out here. You want an 8x8 or a 2-quart dish, and that's what I have right here. Then it says, oh, by the way, anybody wanted to know, this is beeswax cover that I got for Christmas from my daughter-in-law and son. Folks had asked me how it works. It works really well. And this here, I used on the pasta, and this has been pre-made. Okay. So we're gonna put the pasta in, and I've pre-cooked my meatballs in the microwave. They even cook quicker, or you can put them in the oven on a cookie sheet for about 15 to 20 minutes. That's where your time's gonna be eaten up. So if you really wanna make this 30 minutes, it's good to prepare everything. And also you can use whatever seasonings you want. So let me pan you down. Here we are here. Okay, we're gonna put the pasta in. Oops, made a mess, thank gosh, everything's clean. Plus my hands are clean as well. I used a little bit of olive oil when I cooked the pasta. Just like that. And then it says you wanna pour the sauce. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it like this. Remember now, this is gonna bake in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese gets bubbly and the top gets a little golden. Okay, so don't forget that. Then it says we're gonna put a little bit, whoa, I'm sorry. I'm taking the tripod with me. You probably wanna use whatever you like for cheese. We're a heavy cheese eater. And I would probably say 2 cups for each layer, but that's up to you, or a cup on each layer. And then I'm gonna put some mozzarella, which I've not opened yet. By the way, I just let you know that my son's team, they won their basketball game today. So that's good. I hope the next ones play, and I think the boys won as well. Okay, then what we're going to do, we're going to put the meatballs on. I'm gonna try to put them in. They're not hot, so I can pick them up. I do got clean hands, and I may want this. I'm gonna try to put this in some sort of order. I'm not saying it's gonna work. You know, Grammy always does her twist on everything. Just like this. And then what we're going to do, we're gonna pour the sauce over. Get each meatball like this. And I don't know what time Mr. R is coming home, but I will put this in the oven, and then it will probably go in my warming oven because I do not know what time he's coming home today. So thankful I have a warming oven. And at the very end of this video, I will take a picture so you can see. How about that? You'll see the ending product. It's going to be very good. It smells really good right now. Everything smells good. And then we're just going to top it off with cheese again, and we're done. Voila! Put in the oven at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes until, because you got to remember, everything's been pre-cooked for me. So that helps a whole lot. Just like this. And I want to say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell. My name's Brenda. You never know what's going to be on my videos. And have a great day, and don't forget to look in the description box. Everything will be there about this recipe. And there'll also be a picture at the end. So have a great day. God bless. And doesn't this look yummy? We'll see you back here. Hey folks, look who came in. Mr. R. Look, his face is still red from being outdoors. He just came in from work and I just took it out of the oven. Here is the meatball casserole right there. And he is going to take a little scoop off the corner and show you guys. Ray, this is a meatball casserole because you haven't been home. You have no idea what you're eating.
I just walked in through the door. This is great. Walk in through the door and supper's ready. Look like
flip it, right? Yep.
Shells. I'm not really. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh, that looks good, don't it, people?
We like cheese, don't we, Ray?
Yes, we do.
Whoops, we can put that over there.
Move that over there. I'm sorry, people.
Perfect. Okay, Ray, you want to pick it up so they can see you?
Okay, yeah.
Ray's going to do a taste test here in the kitchen because I got a lot going on today.
Looks like the meatballs. Good.
Now, those are processed frozen meatballs because we had them in the freezer. We're using what we had. We had the noodles put back and I had the sauce put back.
Quick and easy. Nothing the matter with that at all.
Nope. 30-minute meal right there.
Right there. 30-minute meal right there.
Everybody wants quick, easy, and on the go. Okay, Ray.
Okay.
Just tell me what you think.
She just took this out of the oven, so I hope I don't get burnt here, people.
No, I hope you don't either.
Okay. Meatball and shell.
Hot?
No.
No, it's not. I had it 350. Maybe
Good.
You're so cold.
Good.
Is it good? Has it got a lot of good flavor?
Yep. Cheese and the shells, of course.
Yeah.
I don't know what else you put in this. Tomato sauce.
Just 4 ingredients. Tomato sauce, shells, and...
Yep.
And
quick and easy. That's nice.
Quick and easy.
That's good. Yeah, good.
Ray, do you like quick and easy?
Yeah, because it makes Maniac Grammy happy, so.
Okay, Ray, 1 to 10. You can rate whatever you want. Just be honest with me.
I like it. I give it, well, it is a lot of processed stuff, but that's good. But I give it a good 8.
But we don't usually eat.
No, we don't. But it's good. I mean, why not? I mean, you got a, a busy day, and this is, Brenda does a lot with Maggie.
And my parents.
And the parents, and Maggie's taking up a lot of time, which is fine. She's still a pup.
And then it's 2 hour. It's a 2-hour trip down and back to my parents.
Yeah.
So between Maggie and my drives, it gets a little busy now.
Yep.
So you're going to be seeing a lot of quick meals, and I hope you like it. And let me know if you do like the quick meals. Give me a thumbs up, and you never know what's going to be on my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that bell, ring-a-ding-ding. Thanks, guys. Ray gave me an 8.
Good.
Should you have a dessert now?
Oh yeah.
Well,
We got dessert. Where?
Well, we don't, but
Where?
I was going
Oh.
to say, you didn't give me a 10, so no dessert.
Oh, well, 10 now.
Okay, bye now.
Bye.